The color composition of the tiny home on wheels this time gives the impression of flexibility, freedom, and spirit. This is implemented through quite vibrant color choice with blue, orange, and a little white accent. Bedroom area in this tiny home has an attic concept underneath which there is free space including a work desk opposite the built-in cabinet with stairs access to the attic. The size of each window in this tiny house tends to be proportional and balanced between dilating needs and the privacy aspect of the occupants. The loft bed can accommodate up to a queen-size bed, and the existing wall elements are wall text decoration and also several small shelves with wooden texture which function as place for books and other antique objects. The kitchen area is quite simple and modern with dominant white color composition on the siding and cabinets. Other color elements that accompany it are brown and wood motifs like those on the kitchen countertop. Another element in the form of a carpet also accompanies the floor element to give a warm impression and maintain the cleanliness and durability of the wooden floor. There are also sofas and in vintage blue that are arranged lengthwise and give a different impression from the blue color. This bathroom area tends to be compact, but regarding the utility needs of the bathroom are still met, such as a shower, cabin, toilet, sink, and mirror. Even though the big concept in this tiny home is wooden siding, specifically for the shower area, it still uses a separated shower cabin to protect other material elements from moisture. In this bathroom, there is also a small windows which function as a support for airflow and in addition to the exhaust fan. Okay everyone, what do you think about this tiny house with the concept of flexibility, freedom, and spirit? Please write in the comment column below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and just look forward to our video in the next content. Okay guys, thank you for watching until the end and have a good day.